Let's talk about how to log into an FTP account using Cyberduck. All right, so fairly easy. Let's go ahead and start up Cyberduck as you see here on the screen. And then we're going to do Open Connection. Now on the Open Connection screen, let's go ahead and choose our connection type. Now my host uses FTPS instead of FTP. So let's go ahead and enter that and then copy paste our server settings. So our host name and then our username. And then our password. And then let's connect. Now sometimes an SSL error may appear. So just go ahead and choose the trust option on that and then continue. And here is a list of our files and directories within our website. So let's sort by file name and then jump right into the public_HTML directory. The public_HTML directory is where our general files for WordPress are kept. So that's it. Hope you find that helpful. Enjoy.